Hi. Pretty bird. Just giving you your space, okay? I know. I know. This is new for you. I know. You'll be okay. All right? Did you just take a shower, Toby? Your feathers are wet. Yep, you did, huh? Yes, you did. I can see your feathers. And there's no more water there. Need to put water for you, girl. That feels good, huh? Good job, baby. Toby loves showers. Hi, Sunny. You're okay. It's a bird. Are you saying hi to your new friend, guys? Are you saying hi to Emma? I don't know if it's a girl or boy. I think it's a boy. So we're gonna change the name soon. Look at those beautiful colors. I think it's a boy. Oh yeah, it's a purplish pink. What should I name you? Leo? I don't like Leo. It's cute, but not for you. Ocean. Ooh, Ocean. You want to be named Ocean? Pretty bird. Gorgeous bird, huh? You're okay. You're okay. You're gonna adjust just fine, okay? This is your first day. You're okay. Today is cleaning day. Cleaning cages. Cleaning houses today. La la la. But it's a deep cleaning today. Yep. Work day for me. So they can have a nice place to live and clean. Is that an airplane, Toby? Wow, is that an airplane? That's an airplane, okay? It's nice, huh? They love sounds, but sometimes they get afraid. Airplane, huh? Good job. I'm gonna take you to the bed because I can see something on your peak. It's getting a little hard. Cookie loves Lucy. Ah, Cookie. He loves Lucy. That's how they ask the males. They ask the females, hey, can you scratch me? See how he's bothering her? He wants her to scratch him.